Elle here this week. I'm stepping in for Mark for the Thursday 3 here at Kalleco Nursery. As always, we're going to bring you a paver, a plant, and a product. But before we get to that, I want to introduce my lovely co-host for the week. This is Elle. She's definitely a staple here at the nursery. If you've been here, you've met her. She's going to tell you about our plant this week. But first, I'm going to kick us off with a paver. This week, we're talking about a natural stone product that we have on site here. It's our round stepping stones. They're about 16 inches wide. They are a natural cleft, so you get a lot of really beautiful natural color variations in them. Some of them are a little more gray, some of them are a little bit more gold. We love them because they're a really great starting point if you want to put a little hardscape into your landscape and do it DIY style. It doesn't get simpler than a stepping stone walkway. They look great in gardens. They look great in a front lawn. These are also super great because they're very sturdy. They stand up to frost. They stand up to breakage. They're just a really all-around awesome product if you want to get started with maybe, putting a couple little paths in your walkway or in your landscape. So I'm going to kick it over to Elle to talk about hydrangea.
Thank
That's
you,
our plant
Elle.
of the week.
So our plant of the week is hydrangea. They're a classic. We have a lot of different sizes and colors to choose from at Kalleco. I like these ones because in late August, they tend to get a really pink color to them. We love hydrangeas here because they have big, showy blooms. They make great cut flowers. They smell really good, and they are a lovely addition to any landscape.
What's really interesting about hydrangea is actually that you can change the color a little bit if you have a pink or a blue variety, depending on how acidic your soil is. If you raise it, it'll be more pink or purple. If you lower the acidity, it'll be more blue. Which is just kind of a neat thing about them.
Yeah,
so
cool.
We love hydrangea. We've got so many different varieties, so come in and see them. And our product this week is actually an indoor potting line that we brought in. It's new this year. They're by a company called Scheurich. They're sort of ceramic. They come in, as you can see, just like a huge variety of sizes, everything from this little guy to this big guy. So they really can take any kind of plant you might have in the house. They also come in just so many fun styles and designs. Our tip for them is if you're going to grab one, definitely throw a little bit of gravel or some open grade stone in the bottom to give it a little bit of a drainage basin, so that way your plants can get water and they won't be sitting in water. But otherwise, we super love them.
Yeah, I really like this cactus line, and they fit right into each other. It's very convenient. I'm going to take this with me. Okay.
She's going to take that home. I love the blue line, so I'm going to take one of these. Elle, thanks for coming this week, and we'll see all of you next week.
Bye, guys.